kan.
Fraser's Hill International Bird Watching event is an event that would promote Fraser's Hill as a tourist destination that is very eco-friendly, and we hope through bird watching not only people will know about Fraser's Hill, but people will want to come here and experience bird watching. And we hope through bird watching we can also educate Malaysians in particular to love nature, because if you love the birds, then you love the habitat of the birds, which is the trees, the greens, the forests. And we hope more Malaysians will go bird watching and more Malaysians will love to conserve the environment from now and the future.
And the Indian cuckoo. He says one more bottle, one more bottle.
You have to visually see the bird.
That's the bird going to get married. This bird is going to get married. Yeah. Very careful, girls. Very careful. Yeah.
In Fraser's Hill, and I hereby launch the 18th Fraser's Hill International Bird Race. Thank you.
and gentlemen, the Fraser International Bird Race is officially launched today, and you are on your own now. And happy birding. See you tomorrow at 1. Thank you.
Happy bird watching the real birds.
Bird race to me is considered a unique activities, which is an attraction not to say local, even though an international level. That is why Fraser now, from the earlier stage, perform Fraser International Bird Race. So we try and encouraging more local to get together to see bird as a bird watcher, on and on.
Bukit Fraser, I told you earlier, is well known for bird watchers. Daripada England, Europe countries, even from Raub.
I first time in Fraser Hill to observe the bird race, and maybe next year I will be one of the participants.
It's really an eye-opener because as I told you earlier, because I don't have such experience, you know, but from sharing this with those people who are have big interest in bird watching, in a way has developed my interest and have given me some basic knowledge what is bird watching all about.
Many of us do not know what birds we have, the varieties. We didn't even know that we've got birds migrating during this this month, right? And it is very interesting to know that we have got visitors, not only human but animals. Interesting, isn't it? That's what we feel.
Fraser is more preserved, less development. The environment is better for birds, and the trees are a lot of fruiting trees. A lot of trees are protected, so it's very conducive for bird watching. And the climate is also very conducive, not too hot. And also like open aviary, very easy to watch birds off the road. You don't have to go to jungle tracks to see the birds. Most of the birds can be seen off the road.
Shall see you. I think you dancing with it. So the colors are so brilliant. Yeah, definitely. Wow. The picture here looks very beautiful.
There's some right.
Kita pokok dia.
Jumpa lagi.
Pahang ni macam-macam ada Encik.
Ya bagus lah tu, aku sokong.
Cik, saya dah mengantuk, Cik, letih sangat.
Kalau begitu, aku tambah lagi cuti aku untuk berehat di Bukit Fraser ni. Malaysia, truly
And we want people to go bird watching not only during this time but throughout the year, and not just in Bukit Fraser but also in Taman Negara, in Kenong Park, in Andarom Pin, in Tasik Bera, Tasik Chini, and many other locations in Pahang. So we hope bird watching will be not just once a year but also throughout the year in Pahang.